Welcome back. In this video, we will help you to install all the basic tools you need to get started with the course. In this course, we'll be using Eclipse as the IDE and Maven for dependency management. If you go to the home page of our GitHub repository and scroll down, you'd find a link to the installing Eclipse, Maven and Java. The step-by-step details to install all these tools are present in our GitHub repository. You can take the link from here, so github.com in 28 minutes, getting started in 5 steps. You'd see the step-by-step details over there. Also present here are links to the companion videos for installation. This is a set of 5 videos which would help you to install Java, Eclipse and Maven. In this course, we are going to use the embedded Maven in Eclipse, so you don't really need to install Maven as such. What we'll do is we'll use the Maven, which is already present in Eclipse. There's also a troubleshooting section, which would help you to troubleshoot any problems that you would be facing while doing the installation. If you face any problems during the course, we recommend you to look at the troubleshooting section of the installation playlist. That's the video number 5. Watch these videos and get your tools ready, and I will see you in the course.